Welcome to my channel Kamal Pandey Tutorials in YouTube channel and Facebook page. Here I shall discuss in this section of the video electrical basics. Okay, what is called short circuit and open circuit? Short circuit, let us take we have a circuit. Rest of the circuit we have circuit, and this is AB terminal. Now we short it with the help of conductor with the help of conductor. So R equal to 0, ISC short circuit current V upon R, that is infinity, since R is 0. That means at the sorted part, very large amount of current will flow. What is called open circuit? This is rest of the circuit, and here is the terminal we have. This is A and B, and this is open circuit condition. Open. IAB equal to 0 because RAB equal to infinity. Resistance at open loop or open circuit condition become infinity. So IAB equal to 0. How open circuit condition or short circuit condition that will help in determining the value of resistances, we check here in this question. Short circuit in series. First we discuss short circuit in series. Let us take we have a 12-volt battery is connected. This is A terminal AB, 1 ohm resistance is connected, BC 2 ohm resistance connected, and here C and D, this point is D, 3 ohm resistance is connected. Now normal value of current when no short is made is given by 12 divided by 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6. That means 2 ampere current will flow through the circuit if no short is made. Let us we make a short. Next part, figure 2. In 3 ohm resistor, like this, we make a short with the help of copper wire. Then the resistance of the circuit R become 3 ohm because this resistor is no use of this resistance because this is all the current will flow through this short part. Current equal to 12 divided by 3, that is 4 ampere current will flow. Power double up I square R, 4 square into total value of resistance 3, 1 plus 2 3. This is 16 into 3, 48 ohm or 48 watt. This is the value of power. When short is made between, next part, between B and D, then the current equal to 12 by 1, only 1 ohm resistance will activate here. This is 12 ampere. Power generated in the form of heat is given by 12 square into 1, that is equal to 144 watt. That means we have seen that large amount of heat will produce when in the series connection short is made. That will damage the circuit. Okay, in the next case we discuss the parallel connection. When the short is made in parallel connection, what will happen? Let us take we have a circuit like this. Here we have 3 resistors are connected in parallel, R1, R2, R3. This is R3. And let us take AB. We we make a short here between R3, between AB, that is, this is positive, this is negative. In short circuit condition, in case of short circuit, current become infinity, resistance becomes 0, R become 0. That means whole current will bypass through the conducting wire AB. All the current. No current will flow through R1, R2, R3. Okay. If the circuit become like this, if here is R1 and here is one resistor we connect here. Let us take this is R2 in series, and other resistances are here R3 and R4. And if a short is made between A and B, then resistance is not equal to 0 and current is not equal to infinity. In this case, current is not equal to infinity because R2 resistance and R1 resistance, they are connected in parallel. That will help the current to flow through the circuit. Small amount of current will flow through the circuit. Let us check one question. Application of these rules. Let us take, we have a 9-volt battery is connected here, 9 volt. Here is a resistor. This is 9 ohm resistor. This is again 9 ohm resistor. And here is again 9 ohm resistor. And here is the short is made between AB. Question is that find R, equivalent resistance. Secondly, current through the circuit. Now, in this case, equivalent resistance equal to these two resistances have no use. Only 9 ohm and 9 ohm. These two resistors are connected in parallel. 9 into 9 divided by 9 plus 9. This is 81 divided by 18. Or we can write 9 by 2. 4.5 ohm. Now the current I equal to we can calculate. Since they are connected in parallel, 1 ampere and 1 ampere will flow. Or we can calculate the current. Total circuit current become 9 by 4.5. This is 2 ampere current. Here 1 ampere current will flow. 1 ampere, and here is also 1 ampere. 1 ampere. Total circuit current become 2 ampere, but in this case 1 ampere and this case 1 ampere. Okay. Next part we have in the open circuit condition now. Open circuit. This is the circuit we have. Two resistors are connected, R1 and R2. And the open circuit, here we have make a open circuit condition. In open circuit, we have just discussed, in open circuit condition, current becomes 0. That is, let us take AB terminal, this is 0, I equal to 0, IAB equal to 0. And since R equal to infinity, so I equal to V upon IAB. R AB, that is V upon infinity, that is equal to 0. Now we have current division rule and the current division rule. We have current division rule. So what is the current division rule? Let us take, we have a current I is flowing and two resistors are connected in parallel, R1 and R2. We can calculate I1 current and I2 current if we know I current, total current. If I is the total current, I1 equal to, we write R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into total current. This is the formula. This is again I2 is equal to R1 by R1 plus R2 into I. We calculate one question here. Let us take 9 ampere current is flowing through the circuit, and here the two resistors are connected in parallel. This is R1 and R2. The value of R1 here 10 ohm, R2 is equal to, again this is 5 ohm. Now what will be the value of current through R1 and R2? Fine, I1 and I2. So I1 we can write directly 5 divided by 5 plus 10 into total current 9. So this is 45 divided by 15. 3 ampere current will flow. I2 we can calculate 9 minus 3, that is 6 ampere, or we can use the formula again. I2 we can calculate with the help of formula. This is 10 upon 15 into total current 9. This is 90 divided by 15. This is 6 ampere. In this way we can calculate the value of current. With that we come to end of this session. If you like my videos and if these videos help you in understanding electrical basics, please subscribe my channel.